everyone, and welcome back at V12 Design. V12 Design, we do design, correct? And when people ask me about my job, and I say that I'm a designer to begin with, and I don't confess that I'm a geeky and engineer too, they immediately assume that, oh my God, such a cool job, so I guess you design furniture and lamps and maybe fashion. I was like, no, well, yes, we do all that, because that is part of design very much, but not just our job is way past that type of design, but design and creativity are much more than just furniture and lamp and stylish accessories that you can put on your desk. And that is so important. And I know that if you're following us, you are probably already on the same wavelength than we are. But the great opportunity and the great need, and I think we need you guys as well onto this, is making sure that more and more companies and business people and managers understand that design is a mindset. Design is 70% mindset, 30% knowledge. Unlike other disciplines, medicine, law, engineering, they are mostly knowledge and some mindset, don't get me wrong. Design, it all depends on how you face the problem, how you tackle them, and where you get the pool of solutions from. Design always forces you never to look above your problem, but just always look aside from it laterally until you absorb maybe from a different field, maybe from a completely different area of expertise, and creatively find a solution. And if you look at it like that, you will see that pretty furniture, stylish lamps are just the one of the outputs, and the outputs where this unexpectedness, this capability of coming up with disruptive ideas is applied onto materials and shapes, and that's beautiful. But design is capable of tackling any sort of problem in a company, distribution problems, sales agent incentives plans, business model design, technology transfer challenges. What we together need to help companies to understand is get out of their mental box in which, well, actually we're not a design company and we don't do design, so thank you, we don't need a designer. And I must admit that we still hear it quite a lot. Designers are just people who are used, trained, and talented into thinking differently. And if you put it like that, there's no business that wouldn't need design in that process. There's no business that wouldn't benefit from a solution that doesn't come from what their competitors have done, from what themselves have done in the last 20 years. So many times we go in a company and ask, why are you doing this? And they're like, well, we've always done it. That is when the cleverness and the brightness of your business just dies, because you've just done it the way it's been done before, or thinking about improving yourself because you've done a benchmark with your competitors. Not in 2020, and less it will happen in a world that is going so incredibly fast, getting inspiration from Netflix to Boeing to Rolls-Royce engines there's no more need for evolution only in the processes in companies, and design is what really can stir the pot. So maybe this part has been a little bit longer, I apologize for that. Try and make sure you look at examples. They are often labeled as design thinking. I'm not a big fan of labels, but fair enough. Examples in which design has made a pretty profound difference, even when crayons and pencils were just resting on the table. Because design, again, it's all about the way you look at solving a problem, right? Not just because you're very good at sketching. Perfect. Second, make sure you go around as much as you can and remind people that design is Really, really powerful, and way more powerful than the idea of designing pretty chairs and gorgeous tables may suggest. So, see you at the next part. Ciao!